Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the exact documents that prove your mother's name. You need crisp scans and your Aadhaar number. Once done, go to the Aadhaar self-service update portal and choose Update Demographics, then Name of Parent. You'll authenticate with an OTP sent to your registered mobile. That confirms it's you making the change. If you cannot use the portal, book a slot at a nearby Aadhaar center, but start with the online path for speed and a digital receipt. You now fill the update form carefully, type your mother's name exactly as the supporting document shows, including punctuation and spacing. Next, pick the correct document type and upload clear images. Blurry or rotated scans cause rejections. Make sure file sizes and formats meet the portal rules, then preview the change. After you submit, you receive an update request number. Save it. This URN lets you track progress and proves you initiated the request. Once submitted, you monitor the request using the URN on the portal. Verifiers check the uploaded documents and may call or ask for an in-person visit. Once approved, download the updated e-Aadhaar immediately and keep a verified copy. If the request is rejected, don't panic, read the rejection reason, confirm whether the name format or document mismatch caused it, then correct and resubmit. If repeated issues occur, visit an Aadhaar enrollment center with originals for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.